Hello friends, welcome back to Bharat Coder. So in this video I am going to show like if you added some custom field in frappe and if you want to make it as a part of your custom app, so how we can do it. So let me show you with one example. So let me open the Google Chrome, and since my local server is running, I will go to my local server, and let's say I will add a custom field. Let's say in sales order. If we see in sales order in this child table, so let me see what is the name of this child table. Dot items, there is one item and doc type name is sales order item. So what I will do, I will just customize this doc type and customize child table sales order items. So what now I will do is I will add a custom field here in this this doc type sales order item. So let me add a data field. I will give name as a testing and update it. So now what happens is, like, whenever you are creating a sales order in item table, there you will see this custom field. If you see the name, it is a custom testing. So now what I want is, like, I want to make this field as a part of my custom app. So whenever when I install my custom app on any different site, so this field should get created automatically. So how I can do it is, like, let me open VS Code so I can show you. Open the VS Code, and now what I will do is, what you have to do is you have to just customize the form and customize the doc type. So I have added I have added my custom field in this sales order item child table. So I will customize this, and there you will see one button like actions, and you have to export customization. So what, like I have added this custom field, so this field is still not part of my custom app, so it is still in the database. So if somehow, if I reset or lost my database, so all these custom changes which you have done by the UI, they are gone. So what I will do is, there is one options of export customizations. So when you click on this, you will get one options to select your module is basically your custom app. So in my case, I will select my custom app and submit it. So you will see a message like customizations of sales order item. So this is the child table in which I have added this testing field, and I have done export customization, and it has been exported to like users Gotham frappe bench apps. Then these are your custom apps, custom app name, then custom is a folder, and under that folder a sales order item.json has been created. So I will show you in the VS Code. If you see, this is my custom app. So under this custom app, if you see, there is a custom folder is there, and inside that folder I can see this sales order item.json. This is now, just now it has been created. So if I try to search this my field, this which I have created custom testing, if I try to search this, here you can see this field custom testing. So this field is now, it has been added under this custom fields dictionary. So what it has been, like, now it has become, this custom field is part of our custom app. So whenever I am installing my this custom app into another instance or some another site, so it will get automatically created. How? So because of this, if you see at the last, sync on migrate one. So whenever, like, you are installing your app on your different site, so automatically these fields will be created automatically. So this is basically one of the use of the export customizations in frappe. So this is all about this video. If you like the video, if you like the content, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.